Alrighty. Good afternoon, everyone. Unfamiliar territory. So, interested to see how this is going to play out. How did we go yesterday? Did anyone take advantage of the sells over here? Need to update this. I haven't opened up TradingView this morning. But we had the idea was right yesterday. You know, price pushed up. Oops, sorry. Price pushed up. Late London. Look for a low, a higher low to be made. Look for price to sweep into, well, sort of like push back up into these areas. Then look for it to break these lows. Then look for a resistance to form, and then look for it to go down. I need to update this, so I'll actually just show the actual screenshot where we had all the morning Don, afternoon Don. Hey Leon. So this was the one yesterday. This bad boy. No trading yesterday. I had to type a few things. Okay, no problem. Yeah, but this is what it was yesterday. Was given. Like a mid-London session to make a higher low, which it did. Oh, they popped them side by side. So mid-London, make a higher low. This is what it did. Then look for it to sweep up into Asian high or weekly rejection areas. Kind of like you see, like what over here it did in this one. Afterwards, came down, up, down, swept into these rejection areas, monthly areas, into this Asian high area. Took out, like, swept up into here. Closed below the higher low, which was this one over here. We got the close below the higher low. Look for a lower high, and then pull back into the lower 75% of previous NY session. So down to this area, right over here. Here was your lower high. Got the 30-minute little resistance candle. Okay, little rejection, little doji, and then looking for it to hit this area, which it did. So I saw a few guys in the Discord say that you took 35 pips from it, which is perfect, from around this 15.910 area down to the 15.875 area, your 35 pips. Beautiful. Just didn't know where, when I put the screenshot, didn't know where we're going to have to put that stop loss, but we needed to wait for the lower high to be made, which was indeed over that little area. So this morning was pretty interesting with German 40. We're going to talk about NASDAQ in this one, though. I thought because of the correlation with indices across, I was looking for myself, looking for longs. So we got them. I was up really early. So I actually executed on the 7 o'clock candle, which is this bad boy over here. Held that one until, where did I hold that to? I have to go, let me have a little look. Held that into, I was on the different charts, so. Oh, I held it just before London Open, actually. So it was literally from here until literally just before the London Open came in. So it was basically from here to here. That's a little long that I had. Didn't get any of this spike. Did take advantage of some sells later, which were, where were they? Oh, sorry, the Euro Yen. Sells were on Euro Yen. Over here. So this was a lovely piece of structure. Price was, we had some mixed news coming out of Bank of Japan. So we had them talking about ending, well, no, economists thought they were going to end negative interest rates 2024. Then they stopped buying bonds, and then we had a few other like bits and pieces. So essentially price, I could see that there was a lovely liquidity area over here, just looking to be swept. So what I was targeting was price to push up into this liquidity area above it, and then find that rejection. So there was the rejection. That's the rejection wick over here. I didn't actually get sells until about here, targeting the base of this consolidation area. So I held those sells down from here down to here. So just there's like about 30 pips. So that was nice little sweep of the high into this liquidity area, little drop back into structure, and then it's obviously rebounded. I haven't looked at it since then. Okay, so but what we're here for is to talk about Nvidia. So they announced their earnings. Where are their earnings? I think everyone would have caught up by now. So it was at the end of, after the bell. Here we go. Quarter 3 2023 earnings from Nvidia. Did quite well. So they beat expectations by quite a lot. Revenue, over $2 billion more revenue. So everyone was thinking that, well, all the reports are that they're going to surge. They're going to surge at New York Stock Exchange Open, but that only surges if price is basically at where it was left. So no doubt Nvidia is probably going to gap up a bit, but the price probably already moved a bit. So that's the thing, is because Nvidia takes up about 4.7% of the Nasdaq's cap. So if they're going to surge, if they're going to go up, Nasdaq's going to rise. Problem is, Nasdaq already has risen. Okay, we see the indice has tracked up already. So I dare say what we're going to get is a little bit of, what do you think? I reckon we could get a sweep. I reckon we can get a sweep like this. I reckon we can push up, and then I think we can maybe come down, and then we can just really start to rise. And then I'm not sure what to do after this, but I dare say we'll take out yesterday's daily high. I just think we might do a bit of a pullback first. We've got 23 minutes for that to happen. So I'm kind of planning that. I'm not sure if I want to take the sell into the buy, or just wait for the buys. The problem is if it just does a breakout. So we shall see. I've also got my eye on German 40, because I don't think it'll be as volatile as NAS. And I'm waiting for, I've had this zone penciled in for ages, this 16,000 area. You can see like where it's sort of just, I've got to go back all the way to August now. Hey IP. H4 wick touches, where's that coming from? Oh, it's a I'm gonna have to extend that across. Let's just bring up the H4. Been a while since we've been up here. Okay, so you can see, if you look, let me just draw your eyes to it. So that area, I've got my eye on, is this area across here. I'll make it orange. This area across here. Just note how it's been quite sensitive touch, quite choppy through here, but a perfect touch here, almost a touch there, little rejection here, little rejection there. First time up to it, I think you'll get like a nice little reaction from it. Then in addition to that, if I zoom in, you can just see like where it's a little bit more indescript, but I've put a zone across here where, oh sorry, it's meant to be a rectangle. I put a zone across here where it's, I'm trying to get a few more touches. So I'm treating this whole area in red as a resistant zone. That price will often tap into it and that way it will be taking out this high, and we kind of are already just really testing this high, if not even tapped into that high. But I quite like this area for a reaction. Now above here, once we do get above here, I think for year end, I think we will rally into these highs. So I do have my eye on higher areas. Noticeably, this is a rejection candle on the 4 hour. I'll zoom in on that one for you so you can see. So this one, this is your 4 hour liquidity wick, and right at the midpoint is where we had the last high. So I would like to see if we can, once we can break above here, eventually trade into this area. I just think we'll have a reaction first, and I'm looking for today to be a quick one. I don't really want to trade too long into the day, so I'm looking for eventually this high to be taken out. I just think we'll get a reaction first. What else? So yeah, I guess I should just do a quick little scan through for Nvidia, for Nasdaq, sorry. Yeah, come on, push up into this zone. So we can often get, we know the range, typical range would be about 120 pips. So we've already opened 120. Ooh. I wonder if we could even get up to, depends how volatile this is. Like, I've got Thanksgiving tomorrow, so this could be like your Friday. So I will see if we can get a reaction from here, but I will be aware that price could drive up all the way until about here. Not like, it won't go this pathway. Obviously it's got waves inside of there, but that's the range. Or are we going to push up into this area and then save it for later? Who knows? We'll have to let price action dictate it. Okay. The other one that Nvidia is in, they are also in S&P. So S&P, we do have the New York high from Monday already here. But I think NAS will probably be the better one. Makes up more of it. So let's see this. We've got 15 minutes until they open. This is a liquidity candle. The rejection wick. Is this? Oh, yeah, good. It's not quite record highs, is it? So we're clean traffic all the way up until here. Okay, 4 hour. Refine this a little bit more. Looks pretty good for the 4 hour chart. Plenty of little touches here. Little cluster, touch, almost touch, touch, little poke through, necklines, touch, little consolidation, touch, little consolidation, breakthrough, retest, clean break, little wick area, almost identical, this move and this move. So let's see if we can push up, but we can get little rejections from here. So pushing up into the zone. Let's see. I'm bullish though for it. Just so where that rejections can happen. Okay, let's have a little look more. So we're trading at 16,011. So current price is over right this level. 3 hour, 2 hour. Yeah, nice clean area. 1 hour. Okay, that's as far as we can go. Could go back. So, all right. Let's just see how these levels hold up. I think this will be the target for the day. Cool. All right. What do you guys think? What's gold doing? Gold. Let's see if German can come back up. And then we'll just readily wait for this open. I think if it's a very quick move, I would probably entertain maybe a cowboy trade here.
If she can stay without it, then
Keep my eye on this bit as well.
How are you, Hayden?
Good, mate. How are you?
All right, man. Gold is giving nice moves for about 2 weeks now.
I've seen, yeah, some great volatility. 200 pips often in the New York session.
I know. I know.
Yeah, I've been missing out. I haven't been trading NY session. This is the first one in ages.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Well, I couldn't. I had stuff on this morning, and then my partner had a course thing. So I looked after Maddie, and then the stream has been postponed to New York session. So I'm excited for this one.
How is she doing?
She's good. She's good.
It's a different life now, right?
Yeah, it's difficult.
I know. It's okay.
We get
Good
like
for you.
celebrating the wins when we can read her cues better, which is nice. But then
Yep.
it turns the tables on us. So
Yeah, I know. And you know, apparently what we see in our family is girls are the easier ones.
oh
If we
yeah,
have a boy, that's more tough. Oh yeah. Because in our entire family, we only have we only had one girl, which is my daughter. She's 16 now, but after that, all our cousins and everybody has boys. Each and everybody has boys. You know, some are 6 months, 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, and they're, my God, no.
oh gosh.
My daughter was in that much trouble. Yep.
We had in my generation with my cousins, my brothers, we're all boys. Only one girl. So it'd be interesting to see what this generation brings. If it's like all girls instead.
I see. Yeah, it could be. That's true. Yep.
I've never had to deal with, apart from my partner, never had to deal with like sisters or understand all their bits and pieces that they go
I
through,
see.
like hair and all that,
Yeah.
or like taking care of the little one. So it's all been a learning experience.
Yeah. See, I think it's every kid is different, right? Like my daughter, up to a certain age, she was all about daddy, and after they turn certain age, it's all about mom now. So you never
Yeah.
know, right? Yeah.
I'm sure she'll be a daddy's girl.
Yeah, when she needs something, for sure.
Again, she's fussing right now.
Gold wants to drop again. I don't like it though.
Yeah, I was kind of surprised to see 2005 hit earlier today.
Yeah.
I mean, I was bullish from the weekend on it, and I was bearish on US dollar. So I think it's more the function of US dollar weakening that led to this gold rally. But now I think US dollar, that rallies like, you know, it's dropped quite a bit. So now I think it's in this like holding pattern.
Yeah. I took a sell at 2002.11 and secured everything at 97. So it's pretty much done for the day.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Where's anchored text on this thing? Anchored text. Anchored text, here we go. Oh, I should be doing this on Zoom, shouldn't I? That's easier. Zoom annotation. Oh, I saw something. Now you remind me. I saw you sent something to me. A light on Telegram. I just remembered I was driving when I saw the message come through. TJ.
Sorry, say that again.
You sent me something on Telegram.
Telegram. Let me see what it is.
I remember as I was driving. I forgot to.
Oh, it's about cricket. That's what.
Oh no, something else.
No, I don't see anything. I just opened my Telegram. Oh, there's nothing else.
Where did that go? I remember seeing someone sent me a link to a dimmable light.
Oh, I don't know.
That's not you?
Really?
It came up as a notification, and then because I was driving, I never.
I see. I don't see anything. I think that's a cricket conversation we had last time.
Yeah, no, it was after that. It was last night.
Last night? Oh no, I haven't.
I can't.
I don't see anything.
Yeah, I can't see anything now.
Yeah, I haven't.
My phone was weird. I didn't get. I got a whole sometimes it switches onto focus mode. I don't get nothing. And then a whole bunch of things came through, but my partner messaged, gave me an update, and I didn't see that one until I got back as well.
Okay. Yeah, I know. I keep a lot of those phone functions off. I just keep it on a regular thing because then they just, I don't know what it does. Oh, 9:30. That Asia high is just holding so tight on gold. 2000 hours. No, I'm not taking anything. It's just up and down, up and down. I get a break one or the other way.
Yeah, I think everyone's focused on this NYSE for the indices.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Indices, the bond market, the treasury yields. I think that's going to give a real tell sign to where we're going.
Yep. It's a bank holiday tomorrow as well, so I don't know how much volume I'm going to see in gold particularly, but
yeah, it's like a Friday today.
Yeah.
What about the other fellas? How did you get on with German this morning?
I took one trade on German when it pulled back.
Mm-hmm.
But it pulled back further than my stop loss, so it stopped me out. I didn't trade after that. I should have gone back in when it pulled back and did another one, but...
What were you going for? Were you going for shorts?
No, I was in buys.
Oh.
But so it came back, an initial move up, came back down, then it looked like it was going back up again. And I got in on an HCS there, but it came back down.
Mm-hmm. Okay, here comes the opening bell.
Just got a trade on gold, so I'm happy with that.
Made it back?
Yeah. Just got one half an hour ago on gold.
Ah, good one.
Yeah, I was in and out a fair bit trading.
Oh yeah?
When it went okay, yeah. I did too many trades, but as usual. But it ended up in front, so it's alright.
Nice one.
I can't sleep at the moment, that's why I'm here.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1:30 here.
Yeah, it's late. You're gonna make sure to take some profits.
Yeah, I'm not gonna trade again tonight. I'll just hang in for a bit longer.
Or allocate if you've made like X amount, allocate a portion of that and say, you know what, I'll give it a shot, but it's one shot.
Yep.
And it's just no matter what happens today, I'm ahead. And say like if I made $100, maybe that's risk $50 or $40 or $30 or something like it. Just something that you can say, well, you know, might be a little bit cream on a little topping, but no matter what, it's not going to affect your day. But it has to be a planned trade.
What I've been doing this week is just, or the last couple of weeks is just Oh, look, I've got a $10,000 account, so I'll just, whatever I am ahead, I'll take the whole lot out at the end of the week and stay at 10,000 each week, so it's easier to calculate the percentage you've made as well. So,
Yep, that's a good idea.
that's what I've been doing. Yep.
All right, here we go. Okay, let's push up and take the London high. Okay, London high's just about taken. I'm looking for it to maybe push into this red zone and then do the pullback to get a better price for the big boys. Okay. Now, if I can get price slow down a little bit, then we can maybe look for this correction. Or you're just going to power all the way. Did we take out the Asian high? Not yet. Haven't taken out the Asian high just yet. Holy. Hope we don't fly up here to the target straight away. Okay. I'm going to give this a little shot for a sell. It's gone far enough. Left in the balance. So I'm pretty keen for it to pull back. Taking, sweeping all this liquidity. The short terms though, sell. It's just a little counter. Given how explosive that was. I'll look to target. So if it all looks like far out.
Wow, the mass is moving so much. Wow.
Yeah, holy, just no rejection wicks yet. Come on, man, give us a rejection wick so we can get in. I'll look to target back down at the base because I think it will retest these lows. Oh, you got them. You go long for 10 seconds before the open. I was thinking we might get that explosion first, but I wasn't sure if it'd be short-lived. But hold that. Holy! Oh man, we're gonna go all the way. What did they open as? Did it? Nvidia opened. Yeah, man, they're gonna fly. Damn. Still nothing. Still nothing to. Well, maybe we'll get the rejection from the that was the target. 120, 120. Kind of wish I was taking the long though. Now I'm gonna have to recalibrate. German Forex, did it take 16? Not quite. Yeah, that was a nice little 5-minute candle just before the explosion. So much for this idea. It was just straight north. So let's see if they do something. Let's just readjust this. Okay, 16,120 taken. I wonder if we can get a setup in here. See how this one closes. Well, I'm gonna sell this. Yeah, I'm gonna just hit sell. Let's see if we can get that pullback. Don't know where to put this though. Given I'm going for a cowboy trade. But if we close above it, yeah, because we could pull it. It is still very early. But I'm going for the cow because it was just so explosive up. I have my stop loss around like 20, 25 pips above. Not used to trading NAS though. But price action is price action.
Hidden.
Yep.
On IC market for this Nasdaq NAS 100, what is its name?
Is it NDX?
NDLX. No.
I'm not sure. NAS?
No.
NDQ?
It is in indices, correct?
Yeah.
I can't find like that.
Oh, US Tech. Try US Tech.
Yes. US Tech is there.
Brilliant. Thanks, Iona.
Hayden, I suppose it's not in smart charts, is it?
Yeah, that's called NAS.
NAS.
Yep. All right, we're going to right. I'm gonna secure here a bit, fellas.
Oh, it's late. I'm late in this one.
Just in case it comes back, because this is a cowboy trade. And I'd bring my stops down. So this is risk free now. See if I can secure a little bit. I mean, not secure a little bit. Already secured a bit. See if if it comes back and takes it out. There's only it's minimal entry, minimal profit. Let's see if I can survive this pullback. Probably not given the explosive nature of it, but I think I'd like to see it. I'd like to see it drop a little bit more. Just be a friendly pullback. Flip bearish, drive down, fill at least this area, maybe come back down to 16,070. It would be nice if we can close under the support. Stopped her out for 24 cents. No. The more we create support here, we're going to do a wick fill. So just keeping my stops at break even now. Geez, that would have been lovely to have. I should have just gone with the buys out of the gates, even if it was just to move to break even pretty quickly. But we've got this one. at least. Come on. But NAS is kind of like CPI. Like, look at what happened yesterday. How we get like these. Where's New York Stock Exchange? Where's the open? This is the open here. See how the open rips down? Rips down. And then does the pullback. And that's what I was kind of hoping for. I was hoping for it was going to rip down, get the pullback, and then drop. But then the previous day, it's got a previous day was, this was the open, NYSE open. Price pushed up, hit the little zone, had the pullback. This time it rallied up higher, but then it gave a decent pullback, like 50% of the move, reset, and then keep on going. So that's what I'm kind of hoping here. That when we got the explosive move out, it's hella explosive. I'm hoping that it can pull down to at least 50%. But it might, because of the way that it did go up, I wonder if it will do like another higher leg and then do a 50% pullback and then go. Either way, I just wanted to be one and done. I want to go for a little walk again. So sitting around 21 pips in profit now. We're coming to this no wick candle, so be careful of this little area. That was where price did push. Oh, sorry. Oh my God, come on, Aiden. Price pushed a bunch of times, push, and then this was another buy to sell move. So there's probably going to be a little reaction at this point, which is it's doing. Let's just see if it doesn't rip up again. If we can drive down again, I'll look to buy. I'm not sure when I look to buy. I was kind of hoping to buy near the base of the candle. I'm going to secure a little bit more there, 20 pips, and then I'll just leave the rest to run. Target, I've got a full target down at, I might adjust that and just do it 16,066. That's where I'm going to put my TP. Oh, now we're dropping. Yeah. So let's see if we can get to here. Maybe we'll just bounce off of this triple wick area. Oh, it's getting really volatile now. This is way better than trading German, isn't it? way more exciting. Oh, Chris is out. Okay. Oh, connection error. Jesus. Cool. How about the YouTube guys? There's not that many of you. Do you guys take advantage of this? Did you get the buys, or did you take advantage of the little reversal? Pretty clean move, just straight up. Little correction. How far did we go if I just eyeball it, or just do a fib from the open? Not that I use fibs, I'm just trying to use as a measure. Oh, you were in the buy since yesterday. Holy, yeah, that's a nice move because it did come down. Came down, and we've been seeing lately. Oh, this is when they announced the earnings. This really wicky candle. I didn't read those earnings until here, when at 10 o'clock when they had the hour. Well, I'm in the UK, but they had the hour close, and then I didn't want to play around waiting for an hour before they opened again, and then have to deal with the spreads during this time. No swap fees. Oh, really? If you're buying, you should have got swap fees. If you're selling, how much do you make selling? Swap is 11. Yeah, about $8 US. You make holding sells, but holding longs you pay like $25 US. Okay, Rob. Yeah, I'm gonna scoot as well. So good to see you, mate. I'm sorry we didn't do the London session. See if we can drop down a little bit lower. Take the target and be done. Come on, drop. Drop into the zone. Another 10 pips. See how we had to wait? We had to wait for a rejection candle before we could take it. Almost, I was hoping we're going to get one here. Nothing, 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 nothing. Rejection candle, bang. Correction time. Especially when you've got clean move up, clean move down. Nice one. Target hit. That's it. We're done. We're done. Nice quick one. Hey, actually, you're in the house. How are you? Lead left hand. Hoping it retraces to 16,064 for the buy. Yeah, you know what? I don't like how explosive that was. So now the buy around, well, now it's at that level. I'm not sure whether the buy from here. I'm not sure. I was hoping I was going to push up, down, give it entry, and then hold those longs. But that was just that moved 100 pips straight up. So this area, this black line, remember what we drew that from? I didn't tag it. I didn't tag it for some reason. I should have it was the 4-hour wick area, wasn't it? H4 wiki area that we can get rejections from. That was the one that I was saying, like, keep your eye on across here. You can see how many wick rejections. So if we move up 100 pips one direction, very good chance. Oh, I've done full correction. Full correction. Look at that. Jeez. That's alright. Still very... Oh, man. So, buy. Remember what I said here? Buy to sell. Buy to sell. And then the buys are coming for sure. Absolutely for sure. Anyway, I'm going to go. I'm going to go for a little walkie poos or something like that. So, hope you guys enjoyed that. Give it a like, give it a subscribe.
Thank you, it's a very nice trade.
Very quick, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Maybe we can do this more often. If oh man. Yeah, we can do like a quick one. But we don't get these days. These days don't come in. We don't get these clear fundamentals every single day. So yeah. When they post earnings after the bell, it's really, really nice. Especially when we follow business and follow like German 40. A lot of the time that will because the correlation, you can trade London session, German 40, can trade. We picked NAS today rather than, I'm sure Dow and S&P are probably doing all very similar things. But the reason we picked NAS is because Nvidia makes up higher market cap. I think it only makes up like 2% of S&P. So we'll see the move. Well, the move looks the same, but you look how many points it's moved. Like from high to low, so that's 17 points, 17 pips.
Oh.
So when we look at NAS though, that same move, because it makes up such a higher weighting, this move is 100 pips. So there was a very much so a reason why we selected NAS over US S&P. But yeah, cool, nice easy one. So appreciate you guys. Thanks for tuning in. we'll be back to normal routine tomorrow. London Open. We won't definitely won't be doing NY session for Thanksgiving. That's for sure. But I'll see you guys at London Open tomorrow morning. All right.
Yeah.
Cool.
Thank you, Adam.
You're welcome. Catch you guys.
Very nice.
See you, man. Thanks, Hayden.
Bye bye.